Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I got another radio from Jeff's collection, and this is a nice one. Back in the 1980s, thereabouts, there were several Japanese companies that were making these multi-band radios. And they really made nice radios. And one of those companies was Panasonic. And I always have my eye out looking for older Panasonic radios because they're pretty nice. This one is unusual, and it's in pristine condition, comes in this nice case. Let me open it up for you. There's the instruction manual, which looks brand new. I gotta be careful I don't mess it up. There's the radio. And it even has a little notch so that when you close the cover, the carrying strap hangs out. Pretty nice. Let's get this out of the box here. Now, this is a model RF-788L. They also had an RF-788, which didn't include long wave. This includes long wave. So it's FM, long wave, medium wave, and 2 shortwave bands. Show you the dial there. Come on, camera, wake up. You can do it. There we go. Try to hold it steady. Okay. Here we have the band select. Here we have the on-off switch. Here's the volume control, and here is the tone control from bass to treble. Let's see how that works. Okay, on the back, well, on the side, we have a power connector and an earphone connector. On the back, we have something very unusual. These little tabs here, they are for external antennas. Yeah, so this one, these two here are for the FM band, and then these two here are for what they call the I'll say it in a minute, AM bands, which is long wave, medium wave, and shortwave. So that's how you can connect external antennas. You hang a wire around this thing and then up under this thing for your ground. Same here. Your 2 sections of your FM twin lead come in there. Again, back in those days, they used twin lead. Telescopic antenna. Let's see. It's pretty long. I gotta be careful. Yeah, it is really long for this size radio. Oh my gosh. Let me, whoops. Do I have my tape measure? Oh, I don't have my tape measure. Okay, let's guess. I'm guessing 24 inches. I'm guessing. Don't know what I did with my tape measure. Okay, let's put this down. Kind of stiff. And we got to remember, as somebody has pointed out before, is you want to push the big sections in first down to the small sections so you don't break the small section off. Okay, we'll put that down here for now. That's for shortwave. And let's turn the volume up. And then we'll tune it. We're on medium wave. We're on medium wave. Oh, I wanted to tell you the bands. Oh, I had it here a second ago. Nope. There it is. Okay, here we go. Show it to you right here real quick. FM, long wave, medium wave. Shortwave 1 starts from 5.9 to 11. Shortwave 2, 11 to 18. Little narrow on the shortwave. I would have hoped the shortwave went down to at least 5 and went to 20. That's it. Okay, that's the bands. We're on medium wave, and we're in my office, of course, so we got interference. There we go. Turn the volume up. Oh, there's music. Spanish music, but it's music. More music.
During the pandemic.
Oh, it comes in really clear. Whoops. Get interference there. Probably from my computer.
Top 1% ranked real estate team with Keller Williams.
Nice and clear sound. Let's try the tone control. Turn this up. Oop, I didn't mean to. Keep forgetting the volume is here. Oh yeah, took out some of the noise.
And cloudy for the most part tomorrow with thunderstorms around.
I'll turn the tone back up.
Thursday night mainly clear, low 73, and Friday on and off sunshine. High
Yeah, I like it
88.
down.
Saturday a blend of sun and clouds with a.
You just gave Jeff, Eddie, and my stepdad, that you just bugged out.
Tune's really smooth, and it's got a tuning LED there, or light. I don't think. Yeah. Okay, did good there. Now, I'm going to jump to shortwave, but I don't expect to receive anything on shortwave. It is 4:30 in the afternoon, and here we're in Clearwater, Florida. I'm in my office with a lot of electronics, but I'm going to try, see if I can get anything. Very carefully extends its telescopic antenna. There we go. It's yeah, it does swivel. Okay, it does swivel. Does not have a kickstand. They didn't have kickstands back in those days. So we're going to go to shortwave 1. And we're going to go all the way down to the end of the band and then tune up. Okay, here we go. I'll shut up. Yep, Preacher Man. Probably about 5.85. Coming in good. Yeah, we're getting quite a bit of interference. It's a really fine tuning. I've only gone up about 25% of the band. It's really struggling getting anything though. I would imagine when conditions were good and I was outside, probably do a pretty good job. There we go.
Said, let there be light. God's light shone in the darkness. Now, he wasn't referring there in Genesis to the stars and
see where we see where that is.
You know, so God's light came into creation.
Focus. There we go.
And here,
that's about
Christ is referred to as the light.
9.3.
And we read
right at the beginning of the
program
31-meter band at this mark.
That what was created by Christ.
So that's probably out of Tennessee.
A veces no hay fresco, a veces hay calor y comienza a comentar las noticias.
It's doing a great job. I'm impressed. Okay, let's see. Let's go back down here. 10 megahertz.
The light.
No, I take that back. 10 megahertz is up here. Whoop. Trying to see if I can get WWV. Thought I had it there for a second. Okay, let's turn it down and let's go to FM. We'll turn it down because we don't want to play any music. Switch over to FM and we'll turn it up. Let's go all the way to the top of the band since I'm almost there. There we go. We're at the top of the band. I'll turn the volume back up. And then let you listen. I'll try to stay off of music. You know what? That's going to be hard to do.
Anywhere in our public.
Boy, it's picking up a lot of stations. Just barely gone very far down the band. Oh my gosh, music.
When you check out at Circle K.
So clean, they come.
Okay, let's get away from that music. Oh, wow. Okay, gotta get off that music. I am very impressed with this radio. I mean, it even received in my office on its own telescopic antenna at 4:30 in the afternoon here in Clearwater, Florida. It received several shortwave stations. Now, they're probably close by. I think that one is out of Tennessee, and the other one may be Radio Habana out of Cuba. I didn't think it was going to receive anything on shortwave. So let's carefully put this antenna down. And I'm going to have to put this particular radio on my short list. I am very impressed. Okay, down, over, and there. Okay, now let's turn it off. And one last look at the front of it. If I can get my camera to cooperate, which it doesn't want to. Come on. There's the dial. FM on top, long wave, medium wave, and then the two shortwave bands, and then a log scale on the bottom. Pretty nice. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, why don't you do that? Oh, let me look at Jeff's notes. He's got a lot of notes on this radio. Let's see. He said he got it off of eBay for $150. It was from a collector. That's why it's in pristine condition. He said, I had one of these radios while I was hitchhiking across the United States, which for about 3 years. Wow. Until someone stole it from me. Oh my gosh. This is a fantastic little radio. I have to agree. Yeah, I have to agree. This is a fantastic little radio with pristine manual. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.